Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from HowLogical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Authenticator 2FA into your computer. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer. Then after that, just simply select the Gmail account which you want to use into 2FA. Then after that, just simply tap into this manage your Google account option. And now after doing this much, you will get to see this security option into the left side. Just simply tap into security option, and from there you will get to see so many options after scrolling down. You will get this authenticator option into here. You just simply have to tap into that authenticator option, and after that it will ask for your password in order to confirm that you are using this manage account section. And after entering your correct password, it will give you this option. Now you just simply have to tap into this setup authenticator option, and now you can use this QR code and scan it in order to enable the authenticator, or you can get the code by tapping into this scan it option. Then after that, Google will provide you this code to enable the 2FA using Authenticator. Just simply tap into this next button after enter the code from the Google Authenticator into this tab. Then tap into verify option and your 2FA will successfully be enabled using your Google Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.